Welcome to another mukbang episode, and look what I got here. I got me Zaxbys. So Zaxbys decided to get into the chicken sandwich wars. They're usually known for their chicken tenders and chicken fingers or whatever, but this is their chicken sandwich right here. So here's a fry for you. Look at that fry. I like me some crinkle cut. And look at the sandwich right here. This is their sandwich. So I'm gonna give you a ranking, but next time I'm gonna get this sandwich, I'm gonna get it with Popeyes too. I'll get Popeyes next time along with this, so I can get a really good comparison. But yeah, let's try it. Now most likely it's gonna taste just like their chicken tenders, but it's in a sandwich, you know. So they got this sauce on it too. Surprised they didn't give me any ketchup or anything. Alright guys, looks like they have some kind of their special sauce on there. I don't know if it's regular Zaxby sauce, but let's try it out. Alright, first bite. Okay. Still processing it. It's good though. It is good. I'm just trying to rank them in my head right now. I like the pickle that they used in there. Pretty good. Speaking of pickles, did you guys see Mr. Beast's latest video? Put that, I think, Chandler into the tub of pickles or whatever. For $20,000, he didn't have to be in that tub for that long at all. So what have you guys been up to lately? Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you guys been up to. I just got back from Florida filming an Indian wedding. So I'm gonna post some just some of the highlights at the end. Let me know what you think. It won't be all of it, but there'll be some of it. What I'm at right now, you know, I'm still editing it, so it's not finished yet. But I'll put it in there. Let me know what you think so far. Mmm. Yeah, it tastes just like their Zaxby's chicken tenders. The sauce, I think, it tastes like a watered down Zaxby's sauce. It doesn't have as much tang compared to the regular Zaxby's sauce. I can't put my finger on it, but it's missing something. I don't know. It's good though. And this bun, I like this bun better compared to Popeye's buns. So have you guys tried the Zaxby's chicken sandwich yet? Final review on the Zaxby's signature chicken sandwich. I like it, but I need to compare it side by side with either Chick-fil-A's or Popeyes or whatever. And would I go out of my way to buy a chicken sandwich over or their chicken tenders? I prefer their chicken tenders over their sandwich. So that's just my preference for Zaxby's. But at Chick-fil-A, I usually always get, for breakfast, I always get the chicken minis. And then for lunch or dinner, I always get a chicken sandwich. So that's my take on that. But anyways, yeah, that's my review on the chicken sandwich. It was good, but it wasn't like, I don't know if I could rank, because my favorite would be like Chick-fil-A and Popeyes, and then maybe this. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.